I'm Sumi, and I'm a SAP HANA consultant. When I first started my career, I knew that I wanted to specialize in SAP HANA, but I wasn't quite sure how to get there. That's when I discovered Anubhav online training, and it changed everything for me. Through Anubhav's online courses, I was able to upgrade my skills and learn the latest techniques for implementing and optimizing SAP HANA solutions. The instructors were knowledgeable and experienced, and the online platform made it easy to learn at my own pace. After completing the courses, I was able to land a great job at a leading company in the industry. My skills and knowledge were highly valued, and I was able to quickly advance to a leadership position. I credit Anubhav online training with helping me achieve my career goals and reach my full potential. If you're interested in SAP HANA and want to take your skills to the next level, I highly recommend checking out Anubhav's courses. They truly made all the difference for me.